Hi everybody! Today I'm going to demonstrate to you on the eyelid lip gloss. Yes, lip gloss. And for this I'm going to use the Cinthia Cosmetic Hibiscus number 861 that I'm going to apply on the eyelid. And we have to be careful when using this. We have to let it dry before opening the eyes so it doesn't go on the upper lid. And after applying, I'm going to put my black eyeliner. And then again, always liquid. Wait until it's fully dry. And after that, on top of my black eyeliner, I'm going to put my liquid shimmer. So also liquid. It's my liquid shimmer affair number 902 in Cinthia Cosmetics. So I put it all the way onto my black eyeliner. And for my 3 liquids, I'm done. Now I'm going to put the powder on the upper eyelid with the Party Girl Trio. So I'm going to put my darkest color on the side, onto the inner corner just a little bit. And then after, I'm going to use my lightest color to put on top. And I'm going to drag it just a little bit onto my darkest color. And after that, you can put your best black eye mascara. Or you can put fake eyelashes. And you're ready to go. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe. It'll make me more than happy.